Point it at whatever you want to. It's recording. Love you.
Love you.
My foot.
Mhm.
You're supposed to videotape up here, ain't you? Back up over there in the doorway. Back up. Watch your step. Back up. Not point that way. Point it up. There you go. Love you.
Love you.
Are you having fun?
Yes.
Is it still recording?
Yes.
You're going to burn up my memory card. Hand me that. Let me see. Yep. Well, that's only for 2 minutes. Ah, you are one filthy child. You know that? You are dirty. Wow, you are dirty. You need a bath. You want to go in and get a bath?
No, I want to see them.
Do you want to go in and get a bath?
No, I want to see them.
You can't see nothing if you come over here, see? Now go over here. You see my hand? Look. Ooh, ooh. Once you move from over there, you can't see yourself. Silly, see?
What do you see?
A dirty little girl.
So you do it.
Open wide. Yep. That's Zoe's dirty little mouth. She needs to take a bath. Like something serious. Back up where we can see you real good. Wow, stop. Not that far. Good dog. You done got itty bitty now. Come here. Come.
You do it. I want to do it.
Okay. Gotta hold it the other way, silly. Be careful, don't drop my phone.
Okay. Can you go over there?
You go over there. Point it at me. If you want to. You gotta move your finger out of the way. You're covering it up with your fingers. No. Wrong fingers, baby. Move these fingers up here. Listen. Thumb down there. Thumb right here. Fingers there. Look, your fingers are covering it up. Like that. Don't put your finger in front of the hole. Over here. Good God. Here you go. Don't back up no further. Are you recording?
Mhm.
Hi.
Hi.
That's enough.